First of all, I want to say that viewers who are watching us, this is head coach of Elman FC. Yeah, the game was a bit tactical because it wasn't a easy game. But you know, every team that wants to win. But I want to say appreciate all the players for the determination and playing as a team, which is very good for us, and the team spirit. Every player is, you know, committed, which is good for the team. And I want to say thank you so much for the players, because it's great work, because that's what we expect from the players. Yeah, because football is a game of mistakes. Each time you do a mistake, it means that you'll concede. So when they scored us the first 5 minutes, we did not lose hope, because we knew that we were going to win this game. So we kept on pushing up and rectifying the mistakes, and then that's why we had to win the game. Yeah, what I feel that yeah, it's a struggle, but we keep on pushing ahead and thinking ahead of us, which is very important for us.